Today you'll learn how to cut a pineapple. I'll show you how to make pineapple rings and pineapple sticks and diced pineapple. Cut the top off, cut off the bottom, cut the skin off of the sides. If you want pineapple rings, you're just going to slice it from here and remove the core. If you have a tiny little cookie cutter, you could use that. Otherwise, just use a knife to cut out the core. There you have a pineapple ring. If you want to chop it or make pineapple sticks, cut the base in half, cut it in half again. You'll want to remove the core, and from here, slice it to make some pineapple sticks as snacks, or go ahead and dice it up if you want some diced pineapple chunks. And hey, if you're looking for a way to keep all your recipes organized, check out my other video on recipe organization.